Stay tuned to Victory. On the front line, experience 7 successful strategies. Prophetic evangelist Patricia Gale declares victory.
Then he supernaturally canceled the rest of the debt. Oh, y'all, hold it up in here, huh? Okay, I'm about to break it down now. Victory on the front line means war. That means that I've been to hell and back, just like some of you. And you need to know the reason you've been on the front line is now to take the enemy and put him in his place under your feet and remain seated in heavenly places with Christ Jesus.